If you want to know how to get the link of your Facebook account, then you've come to the right place. Hello guys, it's me again, Ice King. If you want to keep up to date with the latest life hacks, tips, tricks, and tutorial videos, make sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell. With all of that being said, let's start. Ice King. So guys, all we need to do is to go to our Facebook account, and in the upper right corner, click the menu button and go to your profile. Once you are in your profile, click these three dots right here to go to profile settings. And at the very bottom of your profile settings, you can see your profile link. And we're done. Thanks for watching.